Today I show you how to print in Microsoft Excel, and you might think it's easy, but it's not that easy. You have to be careful which part you include on the page and how zoomed in it is. And it's actually not that difficult, but once you know, it's easy once you know how to do it. So let's check it. Okay, I will show you in Excel how to print, how to arrange the screen so you have all the columns you want on a page, or maybe not all the columns and some of them on the next page. Usually you want to have a whole table on one page, and if you have really large tables going too far to the right like this, then you're might have a problem. And if you fit the whole text, it will get really small. You don't have to select any text or anything like this. You go from the home, you go into the view here in the top, and then page break preview. You can also view the page layout. So in page layout, you see actually how the Excel will print the document. And I don't think this is how you want it to be printed. And when I go to page break preview, I will see here that you have page 1, and then page 2 keeps going all the way down, and there is empty space there. It's gonna try to print that. As you see here, it's actually trying to print all this stuff. You don't want that, you don't need it. I don't know what's happening there. So it doesn't look good. Okay, as a tip, on the footer, for example, you can quickly insert a page number. So I just inserted the page number now, and page number is ampersand and then page in square brackets, and you see it's counting properly. And page 2 is an empty page. And I go to view, page break preview, and this is not what I want. So to adjust the actual print area, you don't really have to drag. You could also drag like this up, and the pages are adjusted. But you can also drag to the right if you want to include the whole table on one page, and pull this up like that. But I'll show you an easier way. So I select the table here that I want. I selected it, right click on this area, and I say set print area. And now this is the area it's going to print, but there is still going to be a problem. As you see, it's printing on 2 pages, so I can really just drag this line to the right. And now I have 1 page to print. This is page 1 here. And the other ones, they are not. I could select the text again. You can right click and choose page setup. Choose the margins, header and footer if you want information about even a print preview. So as you see, this is how it would look like if I would print it right now. And that's exactly how I want it. And I could print it to PDF actually. I could print it to PDF, and it's saved on my desktop. And that's how it looks like. That's a PDF document from the Excel with the page number. And if I had more, I could have more rows here. I could actually just extend this table because I don't need the extra things there. Could really just make it like this. It's not really important. So what you see now, I could also click in the corner and double click on the columns to spread the space equally and double click on between the rows here to have to fit. Basically, you double click there, select everything, double click. I will show you. Now they're really small. I double click, they fit in the area. Now you see that here there is this part will not print, so I can really just select this area and say set print area, but you see there is the page, extra page is trying to print there. So I go to page layout and I have all my Excel file there. Control P to print it. And as you see, I have one page, and then there is also page 2, just one row like this. If I print it, so I have the second one. Now the second one has 2 pages and the page number is counted there. You can decrease the margin so you have more space on the edges here. You can decrease the margins here to have more space for columns or the top also, and you can add a title to the top. You can also include more rows, but you have to remember that the more rows you include from the Excel file on one page, the smaller the text is to fit it. So you have to know how small the text can be. It shouldn't be too small. But usually if you want to add more columns, you decrease the margins to make room. Here you could easily add 2 more columns and even top bottom a few more rows. So this is it's pretty good to know how to adjust the printing layout from Microsoft Excel. This is the really nice way to use Excel to print tables. You can really make nice forms from this, and they could be very useful. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment in the comment section below and say how this video helped you. And if you have a video request, you want to see something, write it there and I might do it just for you and for someone else who is interested in watching that for sure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Share the video with your friends so they know how to become everyone. Share this video with your friends so they also know how to do this in Excel. Thanks for watching.